Today we are diving into the basics of Microsoft Excel. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your skills, this video will show you how to navigate Excel efficiently and introduce you to some essential shortcuts that will save you tons of time. Let's get started. When you first open up the Excel, you will see the interface over here. Okay, so let's quickly break it down. First one is the ribbon. So at the top, you will find the ribbon, which contains tabs like Home, Inserts, and Face Layout, Formulas, and also more. And each tab has groups of commands like in the or under the Home tabs, you will have several command groups like fonts, alignments, and also number. The next one is the work area or worksheet area. Below the ribbon is your worksheet area. So meta, rows, and also columns. And columns are labeled with letter and rows are labeled with the number. And the name boxes shows the active cells. So while the formula box lets you view or read the content of cells, like when I click over here, you can see it comes with default. So it shows up in the name box. And the next one is the sheet tabs. At the bottom, you will find the sheet tabs to switch between different sheets in your workbook. Okay. Now, let's talk about moving around in Excel. So here are some basic tips. The first one is selecting cells. Click on any cells to select it, and you will notice a border around the active cells or active cells, and moving between the cells, use the arrow key on your keyboard to move up, down, left, and also the right. Okay. And to jump to a specific cell, use the name range or name box to quickly jump to any cells by typing it. References like here, you can use the like if I'm going to say the G100, press the enter. So it moves you into here. Or if I'm going to use something like A1 and press the enter, it will take you to A1. Okay. And if you want to zoom in or zoom out, hold the Ctrl key and scroll your mouse wheel, and it can be help you to zoom in and also zoom out. Alright, now it's time for shortcuts. Memorizing these will supercharge your workflow. So let's start with the basics. First one is the Ctrl plus arrow. Jump to the edge of the data region in the selected cells directions. You can easily use it like Ctrl plus left. It takes you to the left one or to the left, right, up, and also down. So let's go with the first one. So it comes over here to the left one, and Ctrl plus home to be or begin to the worksheet like in the cell like A1, and Ctrl plus int, it will be jump to the last used cells in your worksheet, and shift plus arrow key like over here, extend your selections or on cells at a time. So like here, you can now see it can be selected very easily, and Ctrl plus shift plus arrow, so it will help you to select an entire data like the regions over here. Now you can see it is easily selected over here or for this one. Okay. So now go over here and Ctrl plus page up and page down, switch between sheets in your workbook. Like here I have two sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. If I use the Ctrl plus page up or page down, So it will move you to the second or sheet number 2 for the page up. So it will take you into the first one. Okay, and Alt highlight keyboard shortcuts for even commands when you press this one. Okay, so these shortcuts might feel tricky at first, but with little practice these will become your second nature. Trust me, they will save you a lot of time. Okay, so and let's see these tips and shortcuts in action. So here, if I'm going to make the simple data set, let's go over here, and if I'm going to say the text or over, or I can just say the A, B and also C like this one and quickly leave it, or navigate to the bottom, or like over here right corner of the table, you can use the control plus enter, so it will be taken over here, and select the entire tables and use the control plus shift plus arrow. So like here you can now see it can be selected by this one, and switch to another sheet to compare data. Use the control plus page up. So like here you can now, we have now this one. Okay, and that's it. Now you are equipped with the basics of Navigate Excel like a pro. So don't forget to practice these shortcuts. They will make your work so much faster and smoother.